How to create t-shirt mockup in Canva. All right, guys, so let's get into it. Your first step is to simply sign up for Canva or sign into your existing account. Once you're on here, click on home and then click on templates. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be designing a t-shirt, you know, design first, and then we'll be creating the mockup. All right, so all you need to do here is just go ahead and type in t-shirt design. Once you've typed that in, go ahead and click on enter, and you're going to be seeing a few t-shirt designs such as this that you can place on mockups. So now all you need to do is find one that you'd like to use. There are free options like this cool one here, and there are paid options that are premium features. So just go ahead and select one. Once you have, go ahead and click on customize this template, or you can scroll through till you find one that you'd like to use for your mockups. I believe there are a lot of cool variants here. So let's go with customize this. And it's going to load up into your screen here. Now, what you want to do is you're going to have to design this to represent your brand. So you could have it look in a multitude of ways. If you want the color scheme to change, you have to change the individual elements inside of the design. So we have different elements here. So all you need to do is just edit them. So click on one where we have colors, go ahead and click on it and then simply select the color. You can have it look like a gradient, and then you can have this here. It looks pretty cool. You could also still change it up a little bit, have it look like a different gradient entirely, or have it as a solid color, or just something to represent your brand and your person. Let's say I want to have it in green, and then we can place it over here. And now this black color can simply be shifted over to white, and then you can have a black background for it. So to do that, click on color, select white, and then click on the background, click on background color. Once more, select black, and we have something quite unique over here. We have something really cool over here. And now you can have this as your select design for your t-shirt cover. All right, so the next step you're going to be taking after designing this to represent your brand or whatever business you're trying to, create, is click on share at the top right and then click on download. Now you can download this as a PNG since we're going to be pasting it onto a t-shirt mockup, but you can also have it in PDF print if you decide to print it later on. So just go ahead and select PDF PNG and now click on download. So it's going to go ahead and download this. Now, once it has downloaded everything, just go ahead and use the Control key and A to simply select all parts of the design, and then use the delete key on your computer to simply delete it. Now we have successfully deleted it. The next step would be to head over to the app section. Once you're on here, go ahead and search the Canva apps for mockups. So go ahead and type in mockups and hit enter and click on the mockups page, which should be at the bottom here. Click on mockups and go ahead and select the t-shirt mockup. So we're going to be going with a standard t-shirt mockup here. It would appear on our screen. Now all you need to do is just enlarge it. Go ahead and enlarge it. And now the next step would be to head over to the where we have the upload. So click on upload files, and the file we just created, which was that design, would be uploaded to Canva. Now, once it has been uploaded to Canva, go ahead and click on it and then simply place it into the shirt. And it's going to appear as a cool design on this shirt. It's going to look really good. And as such, you can simply sell this. If you don't like the black background, you could simply change it to something like orange or salmon, or have it as dark gray or even white. All right, and once you're done here, you can easily share this again by clicking on download and simply sharing it out. And then you can simply download this as your final mockup by clicking on download here and downloading it as a PNG or PDF and simply uploading it to any platform you're going to be selling on. So That's it, guys. That's how you can easily create your own t-shirt mockup. It's a really easy process. Just simply follow all the steps. You can do this for more than one shirt. You All you need to do is just add a new page and perform the same steps that I did. Just add a new page, create an entirely new design for yourself. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.